Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is about chemical species. Define chemical species and name the type of chemical species. First of all, we will write the heading chemical species. Chemical species. What is chemical species? If one molecule is identical to another, so we can say they are the same chemical species. Identical means with respect to shape, with respect to composition, and with respect to properties, the same nature. It means that the substance will be identical. I repeat it. If one molecule is identical to another, so we can easily say that they are the same chemical species. Type of chemical species. Type of chemical species. Chemical species is a chemical entity such as any particular atom, ion or molecule, or ion may be cation, anion, molecular ion, which means that radical or free radical. Now we are going to start the definition. Chemical species. If one molecule is identical to another, so we can say they are same chemical species. What are the types of chemical species? Types of chemical species. There are following types of chemical species. Chemical species are divided into, number one is ion. Ions may be cations, anions, molecular ion, and molecular ion further divided into anionic, molecular ions, and cationic molecular ions. Next, molecular ions are also called radicals. Last one will be free radicals. These are the types of you can say chemical species. Ions contain cations, anion, molecular ions, and free radicals. These all are included in ions, and also just like molecule. Second one is molecule, and third one any particular atom. Any particular atom. All are the chemical species. Hope you all understand that what is chemical species and what are the type of chemical species. In the next video, we will discuss what are ions and what are the classification of ions, and we will discuss with example in detail with explanation. If you have any query regarding understanding the chemical species and types of chemical species, you can directly comment or message me. Till then, अपना ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. फ़ी अमान अल्लाह.